the lounge, guys. So it's nice modern kind of flooring. We've got LVT, high spec fittings, high spec furniture.
A nice finish on these, haven't you?
That's it.
I mean, it's not marble, but it's a nice replica of marble. Yeah, good quality.
Full size dishwasher.
Smells decent.
Plenty of storage over the top and below. You've got full size fridge freezer.
Would you say that's bigger than most?
It's a bigger than most. It's a 50-50
Yeah.
split.
Yeah.
Most frost free, easy going.
A lot of the one beds you tend to get the single fridge freezer, so it's nice you got the old double aspect.
All the internet pre-installed, so good to go. It's fibre optic. That's throughout the building, and then this is a corner unit, so you're right the way around. You've got a nice view of Salford Quays. I don't know if you can see in the distance. You've got Old Trafford and the Old Trafford cricket ground as well. And then the quays are just below where you've got the open water swimming at weekends.
Just see a bit of rubbish down there. I don't know if it's open water in that one. Nice. So this has obviously been lived in before. It's probably
so the building's 3 years old. It's a build to rent. So it's as soon as someone moves out, they'll repaint, redecorate, replace any furniture needed. So this is coming into the bedroom. Approx square meterage is about 45 square meters for the one beds here. 2 beds is about 60 to 65. You've got the ottoman beds, so you've got storage under here for suitcases, Christmas decorations, anything else you need.
Yeah, very handy to have in these smaller flats.
And then you got the open wardrobes to be used, and the space there as well with TV points if you wanted to put additional furniture, and then blackout blinds as well.
Nice. Nice, clean, tidy. Fairly bright.
Around into the bathroom, again kind of a nice light grey tile floor, towel rail on the wall, nice big toilet, nice big sink, storage, counter storage, and then you got a power shower off the top as well.
Power shower. Nice.
Last bit is the utility room. Here you've just got your hot water storage, airflow system, fuse box, and then where the internet is, and storage for whatever else you want. Washing machine.
Where is the washing machine?
Washing machine's in the kitchen. Just got a washer dryer just down here. Council tax, you're band B, C or D, depending on the size of the unit. This is Salford Council.
Yeah.
Bills wise, it's EPC B or C again. So estimated bills roughly between 150 through to about 300, depending on the size of the unit and how much you use. Any questions, just ask.